at ama orders. Iba kanjani shandisi-ke senzeni kanje going to weekly time frame. I assume ukuthi most of you say niyakwazi ukusiphanisa i-support and resistance, but sizophinde sibuyele kiyo I think from the beginning of February because of sisalinde abanye bazongena sigcwalise inamba. Now, looking at what we have here with support and resistance, siyazi ukuthi on top we have our resistance, we have our support. So i-market iyanyuka iyaphi iya ku-resistance, iyabuya futhi iyaphi iza ku-support, iyanyuka again ibuyela ku-resistance, iyabuya futhi ize ezansi. Mayifika la i-break iya ezansi kanje, izobuya izotesta ngithi. Uma ibuya izotesta la sine-opportunity eyani ASL. The reason why we are selling here is because of the breakout structure that we have, of which support isizoba yini i-resistance. Now, uma ungeke ukhone ukuthatha i-entry yakho here, as soon as behla la bazoshiya in i-potential continuation pattern. They will come back for that potential continuation pattern. Make sure ukuthi you get this entry here. And then the market is there in a direction here. So, lokhu ngifuna ukuthi sikwenze kanjani siwa-add or siwahlanganise. If kenzeka ukuthi mhlambe ukwazile ukuthatha i-entry yakho here, you add orders here, stop loss yakho siba ngaphezulu. Mawufuna mhlambe ungasibeka la, still the same. But make sure ukuthi you check after iqeda ukutesta. And again, niyazi ukuthi angithi asivesane si-decide ukuthi now we are selling there. Siyabuka ukuthi bunani on this downtrend. If they left nothing on this downtrend, therefore, siyakwazi ukusela la. But if they left something here, as I said, we wait for ukuthi market ikwazi ukufika laphayana phezulu, then we start selling. As soon as behla bayezansi, they will leave the potential continuation pattern. Now, this is how they're going to manipulate abantu abangena experience. So angifuni ukuthi nibe kuleyo situation leyo. Now, abantu bazoba okay, fine, la sine support i-breakekile siye-resistant manje. So now market here is and so many people are going to jump in moving trend. So this candlestick is there to manipulate those who don't have experience. So manje uma iyehla iyaphansi, abanye bayangena ama-stop losses wabo bawabeka la. Maye reverse iya kuma stop losses, eventually izothinta ini i-drop, base, drop. Thina siyangena we sell, we place our stop losses above. So ungazitholi usela before ibuya la. Eventually izobuya, and uma ingabuyanga, wait for another potential continuation pattern to downside. Bazoyi-create. Let's go see which-chart sizophinde sibuye sizoyibuka asibile which-chart siyoyi-check-a lento engikhuluma ngayo ukuze sibe ne-better understanding. So 7 is mhlawumbe 4 hour noma 1 hour still the same. Siyofuna ini i-support eyabreakeka yaphenduka ini i-resistant. La sine-support. I-support yethu bayibreakile. How many touches we have to support? Even though ingaphumanga the way, but here sine-support. Support, it was broken. Remember ukuthi ngithini, we must observe ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi ba-break i-support basishiyele ini. Angithi basengenza kanje. Shayela ukuthi nibe ne-understanding. Isuka ku-support, iya ku-resistant, ibuya ku-resistant, ibuyela ku-support. Uma seyibuya ezansi, they will leave the potential continuation pattern before the break, of which is going to be here. Now, so many people bazobuya expect ukuthi izojika la and then they're gonna sell. I-market angeke ijike la, izoza la. Hence, you can see what happened here. This is what others they call a fake out. They will be like, no, i-market fake out, it was not supposed to go up there, but then eventually they kumele ize la izotesta i-potential continuation pattern. Now, ku-scenario efana nale, uzithola wenze njani-ke wena? Pay attention to i-potential continuation pattern yourself. Iyabuya la, angithi ngihlale ngisho ku-beginning of a new trend, they're gonna give us in supply and demand. Asenze kanje ukuze ukwazi ukuyibona i-supply and demand yethu. Sise lo simbeke here. If you go to a smaller time frame, let's go to 3 hours. Nisekhona ngizwakala kahle ngithi. If
yeah, Putupila sikuzwa kahle.
All right. If you go okay, so if you go to smaller time frames such as this one, uzobona la, such as 1 hour na lena la kunani kune support. The market ibuyile as respect the same support again here. And then land sinani the break of structure here, of which support by breakable la. They were supposed to change the direction if a downtrend, but because of the potential continuation pattern, they go for our pusher, which is a peso before a downtrend. And then here, let's check no smaller time frame. Before see a smaller time frame, this is what will confirm and then selling issue. I'm to a la sinance near resistant by break here. The levels of chigala. Eventually, by chigala, if you use the line chart to Zobona, this is where they tell it's in adjusted. So it's was we born and not sasa. If we born only challenged. So now, let's use the line chart. But as much as it's a 70 line chart, angeke ivele this resistant. Kuzovela is support line chiga call style. I'm to a support chiga specific. Sharp. Let's go back to a candlestick. Let it be your priority, which we are check out back in it before you take a decision. Now you check on left hand side work unanela on a potential continuation pattern. Don't find yourself buying here. Don't find yourself buying here when a potential continuation pattern. A fresh like this one, and it was never tested like this one. The higher the chance with Bazo you push your market diesel. This is where you get your entry, place your stop loss above, below, sorry, place your stop loss below. Yes, behavior, the behavior corner. Let's see. If we are whooping or resistant, this is the same thing and explain our match. Uma ubugala, si fageganj. Sinan pezu. Yes, we are going to structure support and resistance. Here's our resistance. Here's our support. Here's our resistance. Here's our support. This is the movement. This way go resistant, yes, I go support, yes, I go support, yeah, go resistant, yes, I go resistant, yeah, we go support. Yeah, new hence you can see it push it there, peso, it will as a break. Uma to pay attention to touches and kuruma what touches for now, I ain't got a meganja. One. Therefore, uzogwazi ukuthatha i-decision. Uma usuzoyifica ama-touches amaningi awusangeni because of iphelelwa i-value iba weak, and once iphelelwa i-value iba weak, therefore ama-chance wakho ukuthatha ama-losses are very high. Let's go back to 4 hour. Before say go 4 hour, if you do have a question, feel free to ask. I assume with the question as 9. Now, Bugala with Bashele. This is the beginning of the new trend. The market got the new uptrend here for hours. Actually, it might be the whole day. Look here, this is Ochigala. Ichigiso in Lana, the potential continuation pattern allocated on your left hand side. When a man who 70 say you need to get everything here to 70 is support and resistance. Lana onani in the support, and a matches out and a matches out 2. 1, 2, it was broken here. Uma ibreakega corner, you look for your entry ASL la payana, uzosela la, stop loss akusibeka la, sebuyi-loss kanjalo. Sebuyi-loss kanjalo, and for you ukuthi ke safe ungazithola uthatha i-loss, use this downtrend. Check ukuthi bakushiyele ini before you break out. You noticed, oh, flip, this enhanced a potential continuation pattern. I'm on a higher time frame of which is 4 hours. Therefore, I'm not gonna find myself selling here. Instead, I start selling, I place my stop loss above. Therefore, a potential continuation pattern my sellers up. I look for another one. As long as I'm still accurate. Angazi noma niye understand le shandise i-fake out ne-break structure ukuthi bayishaya kanjani to manipulate abangana experience. Now, for the fact that people know ukuthi once a support is broken, it will become a resistance. What is it that they're gonna do? They will jump in and sell it because of they know for a fact. But it challenge people. Kunama potential continuation pattern. Kune support and resistance ezoba kanje. Yabona? Ibuye i-break. Tester accurate. So people, they don't notice okay, there's nothing about that can push the market up. So therefore, people know as long as in a break of structure, the market is what it is. Yes, but then pay attention good downtrend. And this thing goes back to what I always say: when the market is going down, you rely on the uptrend. When the market is going up, you rely on the downtrend. Therefore, uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi sinani la that can cause the market to change direction, or that can cause ukuthi market inga-respect i-resistance that we're gonna have here, since we're in a break structure here. Therefore, izobreaker iye ngaphezulu. Laba abazosela la, they're gonna place their stop losses above. And mawungathi uyabuka, let's go back kule potential continuation pattern esinayo currently. Uma ubuka la, angithi break structure yethu nayo. Babreakile lana, babuya. So mayibuya izothinta la, this is where people are supposed to sell. Uma ubuka la, we are on 4-hour time frame, and then you look at the location, a specific a potential continuation pattern by big. They know ukuthi people stop losses abazowabeka la or ngaphansi. Remember, abantu they don't want to take losses. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna sell and place their stop losses above. The potential continuation pattern bayibeke in such a way with buyers with people stop losses abazowabeka. Remember, you're out there, you take a trade. Abantu they do that. They calculate pips, place a stop loss, of which is something engeke confirm a trade there. So buyers calculate pips, so stop losses or bazowabeka tight kanjalo. Therefore, that's how they become that's how they take losses. Imagine uthathe i-trade lingayi ku-direction yakho, later on ichubeke nge-direction yakho. You'll feel like, no man, whatever that happened there was not supposed to happen. Kanti ngokwe-reality, it was supposed to happen because of what they left. So for you to be safe, what do? Linda, uthathe entry yakho la, faka stop loss yakho ngaphezulu, relax. And then, lento ngifuna ukuthi pay attention kiyo manje, asiyitholanga la. Instead, sithole ini, sithole supply and demand. So wena une-sell la, une-sell again here. Stop loss yakho singaphezulu. Yabona ukuthi unama-sell out to correspond ne-direction ye-market. Not ukuthi awekho here amanye ama-opportunity akhona. Just that ngifuna ukuthi sifocus kuphi ku-potential continuation pattern, because if we were to check, sine a trend line laphayana sifake siyibone. Just that I want you to see ukuthi ama-pattern lawa avela kaningi and you can use them to your advantage. Angithi uyabona la, sine a trend line, but today asikho ku-trend line ukuya. So now first time touch yakho une-sell la ku-first time touch. Ibuyile respect i-second time touch. Awuna-sell laphayana, i-sell onayo ila. Eyani supply and demand. And then la une-sell a third touch. This is where you're gonna find yourself selling if you are using trend lines on the market. The sell yako ila, stop loss yako singaphezulu. Give the market a space to play. Uma uwena ukwazi ukuyisebenzisa trend line, you can also add and sell to the direction in market. Will be safe. All right, ngaphambi kokuthi sibiyele kusiye ku-1 hour. If you do have a question, feel free to ask. If kunento mhlambe engathi challenge kule nto engicede ukuyiveza namhlanje, feel free ukuthi ubuze sikwazi ukuyikhava.
Phila,
Later.
ama-touch we-trend line, ne? Sorry to go to the trend line.
Okay.
Uyachuza kanjani? Uchuza ama-rejection candles or wachuza kanjani? Sometimes angishaya lena.
Yeah, challenge. Okay, let's get a trend line uzokwazi ukuyibona. Now, uma ubuka lapha, this one doesn't look accurate, but it looks accurate. Now, uma draw a trend line, sizojoyina u-1 no-2 kanje. Uma ujoyine u-1 no-2 wakho kanje, ne? The reason why ujoyina u-1 no-2, u-1 no-2 is a confirmation a trend line. U-1, ngeke udrawe u-1 ungenayo u-2. So you have to have first time touch, no second time touch. There's nothing on your right hand side, dang it. And then, what do? You extend the trend line to your right hand side. Why we extend that to your right hand side? We will in the market izoyithinta so that you can buy. Uma ikanje thina si confirm ngani ukuthi sine trend line, the first time touch, then a second time touch. Therefore, we know which we are looking for a buy here.
All right, sure.
Uma sidraw i-trend line sisebenzisa ama-weeks, ne? Angithi body lena. Wena uma udraw i-trend line yakho ayisuke from the week. Ungayifaki ku-body kanje, isuse ku-week. And then uma si-trade a potential continuation pattern. you cover the whole candlestick, including the wicks. Now draw uzoyi-highlighter kanje, the whole candlestick. Uma awu-2, wakhave u-2. I-potential continuation pattern ayinawo ama-candlestick output aku-2. Either 1 or 2. So uma lekanje, you cover the whole candlestick. You don't cover i-body. Uma cover i-body, uzoba ne-challenge yani ukufaka i-stop loss yakho accurate. Mawudraw ku-body, iyakwazi ukufika izojika roughly here. Inga-penetrate a little bit again. Uma seyi-penetrate-ile kanje, une-stop loss yakho sibeke on the week. Iyakushaya ichubeka nge-direction oyithethe. For an example, uma ubuka this scenario la, a potential continuation pattern. Potential continuation pattern, icisha indlula. That is why I always say, when you trade a potential continuation pattern, give the market a space to breathe. It was a mover inside the potential continuation pattern. The only time where you're going to be wrong, when a market is penetrating as a shy stop loss. Therefore, a potential continuation pattern, I pumanga successful. But as long as it's a single paragraph, you're still good to go. As PL move foot. Draw a trend line, you use the weeks. We join a week 1 to week 2, and then week 3 you buy or you sell it. You depend on the direction a trend line. Send the guy says Obuya footy. Ubuga here. Ubuga la. In a trend line. And this thing of it has money shine. Do not look at what you want to see. Use what they gave you. 70 lento ebakunike yona. For an example, angithi ngihlale ngisho lento leyo uma uanalyze or uma uzothatha i-trade, ungathi wena I know for a fact it's going to be a sell. Yes, it's going to be a sell. And then abanye abantu babuka kanjani bayazi okay masine trend line market ihamba isikhathi eside plus we are on 4 hour, that means ingayehla izofika. Yabona, because most of our trend line wabonile ahamba distance yabo into ezikanje, but then you fail to check ukuthi bakunike uyabona la unani une support again. We are on 4 hour and then on a potential continuation pattern here. The market is where we be direction is always remember you start from higher time frame when you analyze to check the actual direction which the market is it a downtrend or an uptrend. That the one finds to go uptrend, go to a gunanda rally base. Therefore, what is it that they're gonna do? They will push the market down to the rally base rally before buyer pays. So make it your responsibility. We are buga to gunan. If the market caliber downtrend, when it's your job to buga with gunan. Uma ihambala, I breaker this one, solar. Uma I breaker this one, solar. Okay, as you buga footing alendela. You wanted to sell here, 7. This is any potential continuation pattern 9. And then Oma Uzobega is stop loss circle tight ganj. You are not giving the market a space to breathe. Give the market space up so sales you was pay mula my hamba na parat. But no ma ingati ya vela ngaphandle ingakushayi easy. Remember amanye ama-brokers ayahluka nge-spread. Spreads akhona siba high. So kubalekile ukuthi ucheck mawubeka i-stop loss yakho sibeka kanjani. But ku-scenario ela into eyenzekile kwenzekeni i-market ijike accurately on the potential continuation pattern. Let me show you. The market ijike accurately on the potential continuation pattern. EP potential continuation pattern is 9. And then because of Sibuma candlestick pattern, kunani la kune trend line. Trend line yethu ime kanjani? Here is your first time touch, here is your second time touch. This is where you're supposed to sell. Now this one might be your high confirmation the market's gonna go down. Usuna nama traders out to angafani. Mangithi tu ngikhuluma nge-time. Kunaba trader ama potential continuation pattern only go market they gonna step in and to watch it and sell. Kunaba trade the trend line. What are they gonna do? They're gonna step in and sell. Okay, no one is buying here. But then as much as everyone is selling here, use your left hand side to know which market is which you have. Angazi nama sahamba song.
That's sharp.
Akukhle Putupin.
Okay, let's push a little bit back. Sibuke another break of structure ezohamba nani ne potential continuation pattern. let's try to check on 1 hour to accommodate our savings to higher time frame. Ngiyazi majority yenu niyasaba ukusebenzisa higher time frame. Sorry. Sibuyele emuva. Sibone ukuthi khona sizoyithola la. Always remember bafethu when you are trading support and resistance, check ukuthi sinama-charges angaki before breakout. Yenze leyo nto leyo kube yinto oyinormalizayo ngaphambi kokuthi uthole ungena ku-trade. You check ukuthi ama-charges esinawo ayingaki. Unfortunately, here it looks like kade sinama-years effect. Let me take this one down. Even though ingaphuma accurate, but it's support. Excuse me, ubuka la. But this one is over in break of structure. It's support just now is ngapha left hand side, and then ibuya second time. La bashi potential continuation pattern ba break abayezansi. Mababuya bajike inside the potential continuation pattern. But kubeka direction. Now, after bashi in, after babuya test the potential continuation pattern, ehamba ne break of structure. Now a potential continuation pattern here. But then in market ayipushanga ubiyaphi. Ayibona. So that's why ngithi mina make sure ukuthi uyabuka ukuthi bakunikeze ini here. Awufuni ukuthi wena usebenzise lokho ukucabangayo yabona. Thatha lokho ebakunikeze kona list. Uyabona okay fine ayinamandla ukuthi izochubeka ibe downtrend. Iyakhomba lo. Okay fine angikona ukwehla manje. Yeah, sibuyele emuva. You pay attention with oh okay. Senze kanje. Ubuka lana futhi again, but this one doesn't look accurate mangibeka lapha. Iba accurate mangibeka kanje. Sinan again, trend line. Trend line yakhe ime kanjani? First time touch, second time touch. This is where you sell. Sibu 1 hour. Mawusela la. Some of abantu abangena experience abasha bacabanga ukuthi imarket is downtrend. Abayibonanga i-trend line the first time, second time, pushing the market back up. And then uma bayipusha back, uyazi ukuthi njengoba ngisho uma inyuka iya phezulu i-downtrend yakho from here, you lose it. Market maya phezulu. Now, as it is going up, ijikiswe yini la, who can tell me? Who can tell me?
Beginning of a new trend is supply.
Thank you. In the beginning of a new trend, sinani, sine supply and demand, because the ultimate market is part. Uyabona ukuthi lento ifuna ukuthi si-approach kanjani. Ubuka lokho ebakunikeze kona, hayi ukuthi wena ufuna lokho kwazi kuyasebenza. Uma ufuna lento ebakunikeze yona usebenzisa le ebakunikeze yona, ama-chances sokuthi ube profitable are very high. But mawuzo expect angiyazi ku-trend line izoyehla ezansi vele. Angeke ikunike lokho ofunayo. Uzothola uthatha ama-losses are unnecessary, ama-loss obungawa-prevent. Let's just okay, it's fine. Uma sibuka la, but lento engifuna asinayo ku-1 hour, but akunankinga. Ifuna sewu-30 minutes ayikho strong enough. Ayikho strong enough ukuthi singayisebenzisa. Instead, iphasisa ini? Iphasisa i-trend line. Ayibona lento iya-corresponda. Bona i-trend line yakho, and then u-add nalena futhi. Pushing the market down. Njengoba ngisho ungabuki lokho wena ofuna ukubona, buka lokho ebakunikeza kona yiko ekuzokusiza ukuthi uthathe i-decision right. Asithathe another random pair sibone ukuthi angeke sikwazi ukuyithola khona like this one. Ile inokumisbehave. Siyofuna i-break of structure ezoba nama-potential continuation pattern. Okay. Uma sibuka la. Uma sibuka la. Uma sibona la sinani sine support, this is 1 hour time frame. Even though ingenzanga lokho esi-expectile. Sinani sine support, i-break in support YouTube. Ibuye azoyitesta, iteste in i-resistant, kuyatesta ne-potential continuation pattern ngehla yazochika. yabuya azojikana futhi. You can tell me why ijikana specific. You can tell me which is so in the higher specific. And
Ngicabanga ukuthi esingaya mhlambe kwi-30 minutes singathola i-continuation pattern la ijike khona.
something like sifake i-horizontal line. Sizoyifaka kanje, sizoyibeka la specific. Right? And then we go to 30 minutes. Yeah, on 30 minutes. But woman didn't pay attention, actually you're gonna get the answer.
Pull back, homie.
Pull back. Okay. Almost zoom out. Take this horizontal line, move it to your left hand side. You get the actual answer. Unanila, una support that was broken. This thing ibuyela kuphi into engicela ukuyisho manje ukuthi awubuki lokho wena ufuna ukukubona, ubuka lokho ebakulingise bona and now trade. Everybody. Okay, before we continue, if you do have a question, feel free to ask. Ungabi nosalayo, but bafethu manje sathi ukuthi sazobuyela emuva sishoda ngalabantu aba-7 mabangena siqala from scratch siza nayo kahle ngizonenzela nama-pamphlet nyana per topic na but sizofika lapho. Let's just push back manje. If you do have a question ungasabi ukubuza, if ukhona la usala khona, feel free to ask. And ngaphambi kokuthi siye deeper sikhulume ngokunye nani bafethu esinonkolo lamascience angibambile manje. Now there's one thing engizonitshela yona ezonenza ukuthi nibe profitable. Kuzoba kini ukuthi le shandisi nisebenzisa kanjani. Uma uzothi wena, okay, I personally prefer to trade a potential continuation pattern. I personally prefer to trade a support and resistance. I personally prefer to trade the trend line. Uma uzovula i-chart lakho ungayifici i-trend line, ungayithathi i-trade. Uma uzovula i-chart lakho ungayifici i-supply and demand, ungayithathi i-trade. Uma uzovula i-chart ungayifici i-potential continuation pattern, ungayithathi i-trade. Lento leyo izokusiza ekutheni ube profitable kumarket. Into eyenza ukuthi abantu bazithole bathatha ama-losses. Now you realize ukuthi flip, i-market itestile la. And then say kupuki lamba roughly here. And manje wena uthi yazi ngiyazi yakhuphuka iyaphezulu. Manje ngenze njani? I missed the opportunity here. Ngizongena la ngibhala. Awubukanga ku left hand side ukuthi ungena kwakho la ku safe kanjani. And then uyazazi ukuthi uma ucrosser or uma udrive, you always check your mirrors ukuthi ungazitholi ukuma accident. You prevent ama-accident by all means, but good trading I'll prevent ukuthi uthole uthatha i-loss. So for you to learn ukuthi lento uzipreventa kanjani, othi mawufuna mawuvula i-chart ngaphambi kokuthi ulungisele uthatha i-trade, checka ukuthi bakushiyele ini, what is on your left hand side. Yini into engenza ukuthi i-market ingayi-respect i-potential continuation pattern. How do you do that? Na i-potential continuation pattern yakho. I-market ijikile la. Ayithi suke i-creative yazojika la. Yabuya yezezansi. Now uma uzobhaya la ubeka i-stop loss sakho la, yini engenza ukuthi i-market ize la. You use this to check. Sorry, uma ubona ukuthi flip ayikho into enginayo la that can cause ukuthi market yehle iyezathi, therefore you can buy ube free here. And then uma notice something else again, flip, here I have the trend line ephrekekile yangasebenzi. Bazobuya bazoyitest i-trend line, babuyile bazoyitest, you getting place stop loss below i-market yakhuphuka. Ngiyayiphinda futhi uma uzothi wena ukuthi ku-market uzosebenzisa i-potential continuation pattern, Uma i-potential continuation pattern bangayitestanga, ungayi-trade, bazobuya bazoyitesta. Uma ubuka la, this red candlestick izamile ukusondela as if izotesta but ayitestanga. So omunye umuntu yokwenza njani? Flip angisabuye hambe. Ithi sale ngena la ngibhaye. Mawuceda ungena la ubhaye ukuze ube safe nge-trade like stop loss yakho kumele sibe ngaphansi kwe-potential continuation pattern because of uma uzosibeka la a candlestick like this one will happen. Uyozithola ukuthi yazibona lezi zinto kumele sizi-prevent masithatha ama-trades. Uma wazi wena i-trade lakho ulithatha ku-potential continuation pattern accurate, uma ingayithintanga don't care. Ungalenzi lelo phutha lelo because of lento le izokwenza uthathe ama-losses amaningi obungawa-preventa ukuthi ungawathathi. Okay, let's check again ukuthi sinani enye. In the beginning of a new trend, fika kunani kune-supply and demand. Uyibonile i-supply and demand i-market yezathi. Awuyenzi lutho so far. And mangathi uyabuka i-supply and demand yethu bayi-create ngeyi-20 around what time? Around 3:30. 3:30 up until 6:30. Kade wenzani? Nothing. Ubulinde i-market uyizotesta so that you can sell. Ungathi ngoba uyibona ukuthi ayazi ithi ngibhaye la ngiyazi yakhuphuka izala ngizofika la ngi-exit. Those are the things ezizokwenza uthathe ama-losses. Uma ingahlala ingakhuphuki reverse yezansi so that i-loss unnecessary. Ithi ngisele ngoba si-create potential continuation. Ithi ngisele ngizo-exit ama ifika la ku-support. Ayifikanga ku-support inyuke yaya phezulu seyikushaye. Yayibona le nto because ufunde uzidiscipline uzitshele ukuthi okay this situation I don't take ama-trades if ingafikanga la ufuna ifike khona. Lapho i-chance yakho ukuthi ube profitable iba high kakhulu. But uma uzofuna ukuthi ufuhluzele ucreate ama-opportunities that are not there, they're higher the chance that you're not gonna make it for trading. It doesn't matter ukuthi iyiphi time frame oyisebenzisayo. You can go to 1 hour time frame. Uma uzofica i-potential continuation pattern by creative, make sure that you come back mase bazoyitest. Sorry. Naye bayishiyile. Bayishiyile ngezi-2 zikaJanuwari around 4. I'm sorry, around 2. Oh, bayishiyile ngezi-2 around 2. Okay, sharp. Babuye bazoyitesta nini? Ngezi-3 around 6 AM. What were you doing meantime? Nothing. Bullying the tester so that you can sell. Into sorry guys, sinus ngenza busy. Into ezokwenza ukuthi ube profitable isineke nokuthi ulinde i-pattern yakho ukuthi ibe fully formed. But uma out there creating opportunities wakho that are not there, they higher the chance that you're not gonna make it good trading. Angazi noma sisese sonke.
Hayi sisonke baba.
Mnandi masamba sonke. Yabuya futhi yabona nayi trend line final. Okay. Sethi trade la. Knowing very well the market iku down trend. Omunye uzothatha i-trade. Yini into ebengakwenza ukuthi ungalithathi le trade? Anyone? Yini ebengakwenza ukuthi ungaseli? Knowing very well uqale ku-higher time frame or analyze or bond structure se-market, it's a downtrend, but you did not sell. Yini ebezokwenza ukuthi ungaseli?
Ile supply and demand le ngenhla iyona ezodala ukuthi ngingaseli ngoba izobuya izo-testa yona mase iyehla iyaphansi igraph.
Trend line. This one. First time touch, second time touch. You can't sell here. The trend line. That is why after you reach a trend line, you check. And when I'm making sticker arrange, everyone was selling. We are put ngapha or an anti-potential continuation pattern. You said. Yonke lento bayakunikeza kuzoya ngawe ukuthi wena how do you want to use it. Let's just take another random pair ngaphambi kokuthi siphelele isikhathi. We are left with 4 minutes. Which pair can you take? Sengiyithethe yodwa kwesikhathi sesisebenza. Ngifuna lokuthi nibe familiar ngalento engikhulumayo ukuthi uyibone ukuthi iyatholakala. You can check nanoma yiphi pair uzoyifita lento engikhuluma ngayo, but then check on this one ukuthi basibekele i-break structure, and after sibe ne-break structure, how did they react? So far asinayo. So far we don't have one. Let's check it with break structure. Now break structure scenario here. Sorry, oh, hey. Sinani, sine first time touch, sine second time touch. Izamile athi third touch. I-third touch yethu beyizala. And then third touch yathu nayo iphenduke ini. Market yehle a little bit. Ayehla ngokuyaphi? Ya-reverse. Iqhubeka ne-trend. So wena makuso, what do? You check ukuthi downtrend lena ngaphambi kokuthi bayofika ku-break out abashiya ngalutho. Iscenario efana nale. Let's say mhlambe i-breakile kanje iyabuya. Mayibuya enhle yakho uyakwazi ukuyithatha. Awunalutho ngapha engathi mhlambe izophusha market phezulu. Angazi noma lento engizama ukunivezelana naye understand. Uma kukhona la nga-understand khona, let me know. And bengingajabula bafethu, yazi ukuthi it's been a while ngithule ngibhekile mangathi alenze nama-homework, you don't do them. Ukwenza kwakho i-homework kuyokuboosta kuphi, uzoyibona lento efunakalayo, but uma uzohlala ufold izandla then uzoba nama-difficulties. Manje ngizokutshengisa into eyodwa ne, ubuke le scenario eyenzeke la. And then uma ungenza ama-homework utshela ukuthi bowuzokhona ukusurvive here. Unani la? Resistant. How many touches are we checking who support and resistance to touches? And then allows expector in which market is on yoga, if we is on test us. The market is new immediately, about 4 hour time frame. Instead of keep breaking up, is we have counter the testing potential continuation pattern. Bozo was born out zones around. And put again, I into 85 here. I equal into 85 here, but instead on a potential continuation pattern, and in the way we are pushing the market up. Lana bafethu to apply a discipline kuphela ku trading ukuze kube profitable. You can know wonke ama-pattern usebenzisa ama-pattern azokwenza ube profitable, but if you are not disciplined, you're not gonna make it. Mangithi guys, ngicela nenze nama-homework. Yenza homework yenu nibuye nifake egroupini sibone guys, ungasabi ukuthi uzokwenza iphutha. Fake egroupini ngibona ngizokutshela mangenzanga kahle uzofunda kanjani if ungabuyeli uyoback tester, uyi-check lento ubone ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzibonela la. Sengikhulume kwaba isikhathi eside ngikhuluma ngama-homework, but then hayi ngisakhuluma mfethu, it's on you ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda kanjani. We are left with less than a minute. Yeah, we are left with less than a minute. Alisekho into engathi mhlawumbe ngizothi ngiyayifaka ngoba ngathi ngiyakhuluma ivesane ikhathi same time yabona, and then sesisala sihle ngekile laphaya. But then if you do have a question, you can ask, but you have to be quick in the question yakho.